Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain ANGI for Pros app review to save it what you do. ANGI for Pro is an app designed for service pros like electricians, plumbers, and landscapers to find job in their area. It lets you set up a profile, filter by job and location, and connect directly with homeowners who need help. The app is convenient and flexible, especially for pros who want to fill gaps in their schedules and find new clients quickly. But it's not perfect. Some pros says the lead can be private, unreliable, and share with many providers at once. There are reports of poor customer service, hidden charges, and difficulty getting refund for bad leads. So while ANGI for pros can be a helpful tool to find new workers, it's a bit of a gamble. You may find a great opportunity or you may waste money on poor leads. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.